Hello and welcome. You probably found this video because you are looking to sell a portfolio of properties in Florida. Well, CashBuyersInternational.com is your fast and easy solution for selling multiple properties fast in Florida. We are here to help those who need to sell all their Florida properties very quickly without a realtor. Here's what we do. We buy Florida properties in bulk, no matter their condition, and we can close in a matter of days depending on the situation. We don't need traditional loans for the purchases. We have cash on hand, which helps us skip the traditional loan approval process and close very quickly and hassle-free. We buy as is, in any condition, and cover all closing costs. Head over to CashBuyersInternational.com and fill out the form. We just need some basic info like your name, one property address, phone number, and your reason for selling. That reason helps us to assess your situation a little bit better. Also, let us know how quickly you would like to receive your check. Call us at 754-610-3036 for a 24-hour recorded message. If you feel like selling all your Florida properties in bulk, or if you're thinking about selling all your Florida properties at once, call a realtor. But if you absolutely need to sell all your Florida properties very quickly, then call us. Our number again is 754-610-3036. Thank you for your time. We look forward to hearing from you, and have a nice day.